This video was generated with Seedance 2.0, completely free, and you guys already know how Seedance 2.0 is literally changing everything right now. You can make Hollywood level type of videos with absolutely $0. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, and this is going to be one of those videos you will be glad that you did not skip. So let's get into this. Okay, the first thing that we gotta do is go on Google and search for Urban Proxy VPN, okay? Right, so this is going to be the one which is the Chrome web store. We have to install the extension for the Chrome, so click on it and it will take you to the Chrome store. So mine is already being installed, so that's why it says remove from Brave. So in your case it will say install. So once you do that, it will be installed. Okay, now you have to close it, and then after that you can just simply go ahead and go on Dreamina on Google. Okay, and then you turn on the VPN, because if you open it like this, it will not open. Just let me show you. If I click on it, it will say not found. Okay, perfect. Now click on the extensions, and here we have to simply click on the VPN, and then we click on this one. We select the location first, China, which is important, and you select that, and then you click on here and it will start connecting. Once it will start connecting, it will say connected, and that means your VPN is connected. Then you click on this Dreamina and it will be taking you to the website. This is it. That's it. So you're on this main page. This is what we need. You can simply go ahead and click on sign in. Okay, you'll be on this page, and then you can see here the sign in button here. Click on it and it will give you this option. So I'm gonna use Google this time. Click on the Google and I'm gonna sign in the account. Okay, I have logged into my account. All right, so as you can see here, we are inside the account. We have the options in here to do, like, we can make videos. But if you can check one thing here, we can click on this AI video which says Seedance 2.0. like, click on it. Okay, it's going to take you to the canvas, and this is it. And here you can upload the image as a reference and drop the prompt. But before we do that, let's set up these things. So it says we have to click on AI video here, and then we have to click on the Seedance 2.0 FAT, because it's a free one that we can do. For the first time, it's free always. And then we have to click on the Omni reference, set this one as well. And in the resolution aspect ratio, you can set up anything, but I'm selecting the 16:9, the horizontal one. And then the timing should be like 15 seconds depending on you. So let's keep 15 seconds. That's the maximum one that we can go. Now what we need to do is drop in the image as a reference. So let me just do that. So I already have an image of myself. I'm going to do that and drop it in here. It's going to be uploading here. And now for the prompt, what we're going to do is, I already have a prompt. I will also give it to you. So this is the prompt entirely. Copy it and then directly paste it in here. So what we need to change in the prompt one here is this. Remote subject. Remove this. We have to keep the ad as this image. This one is going to be tagging it as well. Then you're going to just start hitting generate, and it will start generating the photo in this video. Click on confirm, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, it started generating the video. 2%, 1%. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we got an error, but that's couldn't generate, because I think it's because of the face that I have in the photo. So let's change the photo, because this thing is very stricted about the faces, so it won't let you use your real faces. So what I will do is, I'm gonna use my face as the I'll just change something in my face, and then I'll just do it and regenerate it again. But I'll just show you first the before and after, the first image that I used and the second image I am going to use. So this is it. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so remove this picture and then just upload the new one, the after one I showed you. Just drop it here, and the rest of it stay the same. The prompt is already the same. Just hit generate. So as you can see here, the video is being generated automatically now. So let's wait. Let's see how it looks. Let's wait for this to finish. Now you can see the video has been completely generated here. So you can see the video. I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna simply go ahead and display you show you the complete video directly, because this is lagging on the platform. Something is wrong with the platform, but I'm gonna show you directly. So check this out. Alright, so as you can see, the video is completely looking crazy. I like it. I like the output. I mean, even I like the sound design as well. This is insane. So now how we can generate multiple videos from this account. So as of now, since we have got this as a free generation, now the second generation if we make is gonna be 210 credits for 15 seconds and with Seedance 2.0 fast. But if you can click here, it says try for $0. So if we click on it, it will take us to this page. As you can see here, it says try 7 days for $0, which means it is going to give us 1500 credits per month, which means it's going to give us 1500 credits or something. So then we can use it for free. See, right now when we do that, I click on it, it's gonna take me to the payment page. Alright, so I'm gonna start filling the details. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in all the details and I will get that, and I'll show you how many creations I have created. I mean, I'll show you some of the examples I just created using this platform. So let me know what are you going to create using this Seedance, because this model is insanely perfect. So guys, if you like the video, please drop a like and also share the video with your friends or something. And yeah, if you have any problems or something, please comment, and also you can just contact me on Instagram or directly on my LinkedIn. We can have a chat, and I will try to help you guys. So yeah, have a good day guys. Bye bye.